For decades, gun enthusiasts have argued one question. What's the real difference between the legendary AK-47 and the rifle that replaced it, the AKM? Today we cut through the myths, the rumors, and the internet debates to give you the cleanest, simplest breakdown of these two iconic rifles. Let's dive in. The AK-47 was born in the late 1940s, designed by Mikhail Kalashnikov for a Soviet military desperate for a rugged, reliable infantry rifle. The earliest models were heavy, milled from solid steel, and built like tanks. This rifle would go on to change warfare across the world. By the early 1950s, the Soviets realized the original AK-47 had one major flaw: production. The milled receiver was slow, expensive, and difficult to mass manufacture. The rifle worked perfectly, but the Soviet Union needed something faster, something lighter, something cheaper to build by the millions. In 1959, the Soviets introduced the AKM, Automat Kalashnikova Modernizirovanny, or modernized Kalashnikov. And make no mistake, this wasn't just a cosmetic upgrade. This was a redesign meant to build rifles at scale at unmatched speed. The AK-47 uses a solid milled receiver, strong but heavy. The AKM uses a stamped sheet metal receiver, dramatically lighter and cheaper. This one change allowed millions of AKMs to be produced worldwide. The AK-47 weighs about 4.3 kilograms loaded. The AKM, roughly 3.1 kilograms. On the battlefield, that difference is massive. The AKM adds a slant muzzle brake, designed to push recoil down and right, helping control automatic fire. The AKM can be produced roughly 3 times faster than a milled AK-47. That's why most AKs seen worldwide are actually AKMs or AKM copies. Milled AK-47 receivers are incredibly strong and handle heat better. Stamped AKMs heat faster but cool quicker. If you want historical weight, classic Soviet steel, and unmatched durability, the AK-47 is the king. But if you want efficiency, mass production simplicity, light recoil management, and practicality, the AKM is the modern standard. Myth 1. AKM is weaker. Not true. Both rifles are extremely reliable, even under mud, sand, and harsh conditions. Myth 2. AK-47 is more accurate. Accuracy differences are minimal and mostly noticeable only in rapid automatic fire. Myth 3. AKM is a cheaper knockoff. Actually, the AKM is the official, modernized Soviet design. The AK-47 changed history. The AKM perfected it. If you want more clean, fully explained breakdowns of iconic firearms, subscribe, hit like, and comment which rifle we should compare next. See you in the next documentary.